Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that is important as it is overlooked. Mental health. So buckle up and get ready to join me on a journey to break the silence and raise awareness about this vital aspect of our well-being. Alright, let's start by shining a light on what mental health really means. It's not just about avoiding the blues, it's about nurturing our emotion, psychological, and social well being. Because just like our bodies, our minds need TLC too. Let's dive deeper into our hearts of the matter. Here's the thing about stigma it's like a stubborn stain that just won't wash out. But guess what? It's time to grab a mental health detergent and start scrubbing away those misconceptions. From busting stereotypes to shattering taboos, together we can break down the barriers that prevent people from seeking help. Picture this. You're on a plane and the flight attendant tells you to secure your own oxygen mask before assisting others. Why? Because you can pour from a empty cup. That's right, folks. Self-care isn't selfish. It's survival, and when we take care of ourselves, we're better equipped to lend a helping hand to those in need. As we come in for a landing, let's recap our journey. We've explored the depths of mental health, smashed the stigma, and embraced the power of self-care and support. But our adventure doesn't end here. It's time to take what we've learned and spread the message far and wide. Together, let's be the change makers, the stigma breakers, and the champions of mental health awareness. Thank you for joining me on this voyage. Now let's go out there and make the difference.